Hi everyone, Zorimori here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a unboxing and try on video. I'm gonna focus on Sezane knitwear and knitwear only. It's one of the brand's most popular categories. It's what drew me to them at the first place. And all of these pieces were released a couple of weeks ago with the very big knitwear drop that happened. I'm gonna focus on sweaters and cardigans, but you're gonna see a few other new pieces. Those I'm gonna review in a second video coming midweek next week. Usually I only do one video a week, but because there is so much ground to cover, I'm gonna release a second one around Wednesday or Thursday. It's gonna be dedicated to coats and bottoms, so stay tuned. If you don't like to wait and you love seeing sneak peeks, I already styled all of the items on my Facebook page. If you're not part of it, I'm gonna link to it in the description box below. I also share discount codes on there, sale alerts, restock alerts, gossip related to new collection releases and brands I think you're gonna enjoy. If you like Sezane, I hope you join us on there. I'm also gonna link my Instagram account. If you're active on the platform, stop by and say hi. If you enjoy watching today's video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing. I would love to see you around more. Now let's get into today's video. This here is the Otis Jumper size extra small, which is my usual size for Sezane knits. The color is called Blush. You see a few different shades of pink weaved in together. It's really soft to the touch and cozy. For some reason, the Otis doesn't get as much coverage from bloggers as some of the other cool Sezane knits. I think it deserves more attention because it's just so comfortable. It's made in Italy and the composition is 68% baby alpaca, 30% polyamide and 2% elastin. The Otis comes in other colors as well if blush is not your cup of tea. For me, this is 100% keep. This here is the James Jumper size extra small, which is a size bigger than what I usually get from Sezane knit. Honestly, I don't know if this jumper comes in an extra small. Since the moment it dropped, the extra small has been X'd, which I think is just not available. I do like the fit of the extra small. It is a little bit more of a loose fit, but I think the design requires it. It looks really cute when you stick it in jeans or into a skirt. It's really soft. It has no itch whatsoever, and the color is just stunning. You get some khaki, some lighter green, and some like ecru beige. I love the combination. I think it's kind of unexpected. I love the pattern at the front, which is really classic. And in terms of composition, what we have here, it's 60% cotton, 15% polyacrylic, 14% alpaca, 6% polyamide, and 5% merino wool. The jumper was made in Italy, and it's 100% keep for me. It's such a stunning sweater. This here is the Andina Cardigan size extra small. Again, this is a size bigger than what I usually get for Sezane knits. The reason I went with the extra small is last year I tried the beige version of this cardigan and I first went for the extra small. Then I tried it. I decided that I wanted something a little bit looser. I sent it back. I got the extra small and I really like the more roomy fit for this one. The color this year is spectacular. I find it really unique. Beautiful weave. You get lighter and darker speckles of purple. It's really soft. It has no itch. It's perfect for those of you with sensitive skin. In terms of composition, I have 65% merino wool, 30% polyamide, and 5% alpaca. It's a really beautiful statement cardigan. Let me know what you think. Should I keep it? Here I have the Betty cardigan size extra small, which is my usual size for Sezane knits. This cardigan is perfect for people with sensitive skin. It has no itch. It's 100% merino wool. It drapes really beautifully. I was skeptical at first, like last year when the design came out. I thought it's not gonna work for me, But then I went to the Sezane San Francisco pop-up. I tried it in person and I fell in love. I think it's really elegant when you put it over a pair of jeans and with a pair of loafers. It's just such a great look. I'm even considering getting it in the brown color as well. This here is the Louise Jumper size extra small, which is my usual size for Sezane knits. It's the color camel, which is one of the most versatile colors out there. You can wear it with black, you can wear it with browns. I really love the buttons over here along the wrist. It's a really comfortable sweater. It's a classic, no fuss, but all the elegance. In terms of composition, we have 38% polyamide, 31% kid mohair, 30% merino wool, and 1% elastin. It was made in Italy. It's available in few other colors, but if you ask me, everyone needs a good camel sweater in their closet. And last but not least, I got an oversized scarf and a beanie. This combo will be very popular during the holidays, so if you're considering a set for yourself or for your loved ones as a gift, hurry up and snag one before they're gone. Last year I got Henry a set. I got him a beanie and a scarf in the gold slash mustard color story. He really liked it, and I really wanted to get myself a set, but by the time I figured that one out, they were sold out. So this year I was the first to snag. The moment they were released, I was like, I need these. So I just wanted to put them on your radar and just let you know they make fantastic gifts. Alright everyone, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below what do you think of today's video, which sweaters and cardigans are your favorite. Also, don't forget to join us on Facebook. I'm gonna link to my group in the description box below. On there you can already see exclusive images, stylings of what's to come next week. And I gave you a hint, Sezane's coats and bottoms. Few of my favorite pieces will be featured in that video. I'm so excited. If you enjoyed watching today's video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing. I would love to see you around more. Have a wonderful week and see you next time.